Today we will learn step by step how to create an online store on Shopify in detail. We will learn how to create a beautiful banner like the one displayed in front of you, how to create a logo for the store, how to start adding products to our store, and how to easily add collections to our store on Shopify. The first step with us is to register on Shopify. You will find the registration link in the video description, and through this link, you will get a free trial for 3 days on Shopify, and also your first month on Shopify will only cost $1. This is a very excellent offer that you can get through the link in the video description. Here you will write your email, then click on Start Free Trial. Here are some information or choices that you can choose, but I will click on Skip All. These information are not important. After that, it will ask you which country your store will operate in. So here you specify the country you will work on, then click Next. And here you will start registering on Shopify, either by using email or by using Facebook or Google. I will choose email and write my password and my email, then click on Create Shopify Account. It will start building your online store in a few seconds, and then it will redirect you to the dashboard. This is the store control panel, and here your free trial experience begins, and you can also get the first month for only $1. Our first step together is to choose the plan we will work on to activate this offer. We will click on Select a Plan. And here, as it is clear in front of you, there are several plans available on Shopify. The first plan, which is very suitable for beginners, is called Basic. The price of this plan is $29 per month, but you will get it for only $1 for the first month. The second plan is called Shopify, and the third plan is called Advanced. You can read below here the differences between these three plans, but if you're still a beginner, I advise you to choose the Basic plan. You will start by clicking here on Select Basic. It will redirect you to this page, and as it is clear in front of you, here is the free trial for 3 days. After 3 days, you will pay $1 for 30 days, and then you will get the monthly plan here for $39, but you can reduce the price to $29 by paying annually instead of monthly. Here you will write your bank card information, first and last name, card details, and country, then click on Subscribe. And from here you can also choose the payment method PayPal and pay through PayPal from here, then click on Subscribe to activate the offer immediately. After we have created the store and chosen the plan we will work on, we will go to our first step together, which is to choose the theme. The theme refers to the external appearance of our online store, and we can choose it by clicking here on Online Store. By default, we have the basic theme called Dawn, which we will work on in this video, but if you want to choose another theme, there are many templates available here from Shopify for free. You can click here on Visit Theme Store and select the free templates, and you will find many templates that you can use for your store. You can view any template like this one by clicking on it, then click View Demo Store, and this will be the appearance of your online store if you choose this theme. It looks very nice, and the products are presented in a distinctive way. To choose this theme, you can click on Try Theme from here and start downloading this theme. Indeed, this theme started to download with us in a few seconds in this area, and it will be ready to be published. Now you can click here on Publish to make it the default theme for your online store in this area, but I will work on the theme called Dawn in this video, so I won't click here on Publish. It is very important when you see this message that you delete your password. If you have already created your online store and subscribed to the plan, for example, a basic plan, then you will see here Remove Password. Start clicking on Remove Password, and your online store will be published. After we have chosen the theme we will work on, we can click here to see the external appearance of the online store before any modifications. Indeed, this is the appearance of our online store, and we will start editing everything visible in front of you. To start customizing our theme and working on the store, we will click here on Customize, or we can open this Customize in a new tab in this way. As it is clear in front of you, the template of the store has started to open for me, and I can edit everything the way I like. This is the appearance of our store on the computer, and this is also the appearance of our store on the mobile. It is very important that you see your store on the computer, and at the same time it is compatible or responsive to the mobile. Here on the left, the header will appear, and what is meant by this upper area is the template of your store, whether this banner or the products, also the footer, which is the area at the bottom here in your online store. Here on the left, you can edit anything of them. You can add a new section from here, such as a collection or texts or images in addition to a text or banner, for example, or videos or anything from these sections. If I want to edit anything, I can click on it like I clicked on this image, then start clicking here on Select Image, to upload another image in its place in this area. First thing I have is the announcement bar. In this bar, I can put any offers I have in the online store or make discounts from here. I can click on announcement bar or come from here, then click on announcement bar and start clicking on this text. It will open for me on the right here, where I can write the text I like. For example, I will mention that I have a specific discount of 60%. Here, you can write the text you like in this area. If I want to change, for example, the background color of this color, I can click on announcement bar from here, so it will open for me here on the right to change the background color. I can come from here to change it to any other thing I like. For example, to have the background in black and the text in white. If I want to change this scheme, I can click on Edit and start choosing, for example, that the background remains in another color like this color, and the text, for example, remains in white as shown in front of you. But I will change it back to black. I prefer the black color in this area, then I can close from here. Then, I have the header. The header is the store name or logo that can be placed in this area, and also here, I have a menu, and then I also have the shopping cart icon. I can edit this header by clicking on it or clicking on it in this area on the left. First thing I have is my store logo on the left, middle, or right. So from here, I can choose, for example, that it is in the middle center. Thus, the logo will be in the middle like this. Now, if I want to change this text to a specific logo that I put on the store, I can come from here to Theme Settings, and for the logo from here, click on it, and then start uploading a logo for my online store from here. You can create a professional logo through Canva. I will leave you the registration link in the video description. You can register for a free account and then click here on Create a Design. And here you can start searching for a logo and start choosing a logo, or you can click on Custom Size and choose the dimensions for the logo, for example, 1200 by 400. Then click on Create New Design. And here you can start choosing text from here and then click on Add a Heading. Here you can start writing, for example, the name of your brand in this way. And then you can enlarge it in this way. And if you want to change the color, you can come from here to change its color. And if you also want to change the font, you can come from here to change the font of the brand name. For example, I will choose black color and I can also reduce the name in this way and start choosing an icon in this area. So I will click on Elements and then, for example, I will choose an icon related to clothing and I will start clicking here on Graphics and, for example, I can choose any icon from these and let this icon I choose here like this, and then I will enlarge my text in this way. You can choose any logo for you, or easily create your logo. From here, we will click on Share, then Download, and then start clicking on Download. We will start returning to our online store and click here on Select Image to start uploading the logo for the store. Here we will choose Upload Image, and then it will start uploading our logo. After that, we will click on Done, and from here, we can enlarge our logo in this way, and it will be very nice like it appears in front of you. And here, it will be like this on mobile in this way, and here's the favicon, which means the icon that will be above, especially for our store. To start working on this icon, we will go to a website called Flat Icon. We will start selecting from here Flat Icon, and start searching here for an icon related to the field we work in. For example, I work in clothes, so I will start searching here for clothes, and choose from here any icon that represents what you sell. For example, I will choose this icon, click on it, and from here, I will start choosing 32 pixels and start clicking on Free Download. Then I will return and start uploading the image in this area, and in this way, I change the icon that will be in this area for my online store. Whenever you start making any settings, click on Save from here to start saving everything, and from here, you can change the colors of your store. These are the schemes in the store that you can easily change here. Here you can change the fonts of the online store, and also here you can change the other things available in our online store. Here is the template, which means the area where there are pictures, for example, products, and text that we want to add to the online store. Here, this banner, I want to make it a slider with several images that automatically cycle through. So, I'll start by clicking on this banner, then click Delete here, and come here to click Add Section. Then, I'll come here and choose Slideshow, and it's added here at the bottom. I want to move it up, so I'll click and drag it up like this. I'll add an image here by clicking on the slider. I'll find 2 images here. If I want to add a third image, I'll click on Add Slide here, and it will give me 3 images. I'll choose the first image and start selecting my first image from here. You can design a beautiful banner through Canva. Here, by clicking on Create a Design, I'll make a custom size, then choose 1440 by 570, and click Create New Design. From here on the left, I can choose any of these banners as long as it's free, like this one. I can edit everything, whether I edit this image and choose another image, or edit this text and start typing another text. Then, I'll save this banner. You can repeat this process to make 3 different images, just as I did here. You start by choosing the images. I'll choose, for example, the first image and click Done, and the image will start uploading like this. Then I'll move to the second image and start uploading it as well. I'll start uploading the third image. Let's watch this slider. This is the first image, and this is the second image, and this is the third image. I'll start editing the area in the middle. I'll go back to the first image here. I want to remove the white color in the background, so I'll click here and then click Show Container on Desktop. So it will appear like this in front of me. I can write a title here, for example, 60% discount, and in this description, I can write anything. I can start typing the text here, for example, Shop Now. I can enlarge this text by clicking Large here, so the text will enlarge like this. From here, I can choose a different color than this black color by going down here and clicking Change, then choosing another scheme. Let's say this scheme. From here below, I can change the colors of this button. For example, I can choose the 5th scheme, where the colors are white. I can click Edit here and start changing the colors of the background and also the color of the button itself. Let's say I choose the white color, for example. After that, I'll repeat the same steps in the second and third sliders. Here, I want to delete all the information because I already mentioned in this slider that there is a discount. So from here, I'll start deleting the text that is here. So I deleted any information in the second slider. As for the third slider, I want the title and text to appear here on the left. So first, I'll choose the third slider from here, and then I'll come down here and remove the container from here. Then I'll choose Middle Left for the desktop content position from here, so it will appear here in the middle on the left. I'll then choose Left for the desktop content alignment from here, so they will all appear like this on the left. I'll start editing all the information here just as I edited it in the first slider. I can link this button to a specific page, product, or collection. Now we'll learn how to add products to our store. From here, I can choose a specific collection, for example, from this area, or choose a specific product from this area. We haven't added any products yet, so I'll choose, for example, All Products. So when someone clicks here, they'll go to a page with all the products available in the store. But let's say we want to learn how to create a specific collection for women's clothing and start adding it. So I'll come here to the button link and choose Collection, then choose the collection we created for women's clothing. After these steps, I'll click Save from here to start saving everything. From here, we can see how this slider will look on mobile. It will look like this. After finishing the slider, we'll start scrolling down to the section for products. Here, for example, many stores like to add featured products, new arrivals, or discounted products. So I'll click here and start changing the text or title from this area to, for example, New Arrivals, or whatever. But now we need to learn how to add products to our store. We'll go back to the Store Control panel, then click on Products, and then click on Add Product. It will open like this, where we can write the product title or name here, a description of the product here, the product images here, the pricing here, and also the inventory available for this product. Here, variants refer to whether there are different colors or sizes of this product. We'll start adding each step by step to learn how to edit everything related to our product. For example, I'll add the product name here, let's say it's jeans, and I'll start writing a description in this area. Alternatively, I can also use artificial intelligence to add a description specific to the product after I've written a general description. I'll start uploading the images here, and this will be the main image for my product. If I want this image, for example, to be the main one, I'll drag it like this, and it will be the main image for the product. Then I'll edit the product price here. It will be the product price in this area. If I want to offer a discount on this product, for example, I can write 25 here and 20 here, so there will be a $5 discount on this product. Here, you can write the cost of the product and your profit margin. But this step is not essential. If you want to track your inventory, you'll click here on Track Quantity and start writing the quantity of the product available in this area. If you don't want to activate inventory, you'll deselect this option. Here, you can write the size and weight of your product. In the variants area, you'll choose the color or size of the product. For example, if I'm selling jeans, there are 4 different colors of the product and different sizes, so I'll start by clicking Add here and then click on Color. I'll start writing here the 4 colors available for this product, then click Done. Then I'll add the sizes available for the product. Underneath here, you'll find the pricing for each size and color. For example, if the black color in size 33 is $22, then the black color, size 33, is $22, but the rest are $20, so here, I can change the prices based on the sizes and colors available for the product. After that, I have the information that this product will appear in the search in this way. I can edit it from here and write all the information specific to the product here. Then I'll click on Save, so the product will be saved in the way it appears in front of you. You can click here on Preview to see the product in this way. These are the available colors, and these are the available sizes, and from here, the customer can buy this product. These are the images, and this is also the product description. Here, as you can see, is the bar where we wrote about discounts and the logo in this area. To add other products, we'll click here on Products again, then click on Add Product and start adding another set of products. I've added some products as you can see here. The next step is to go and click on Collections and start adding collections. These collections are meant for categorizing products into separate sections. For example, if I'm selling clothes, I can't have separate collections for men's, women's, and children's clothes, so each one is separate from the other. This way, I can easily display them in the online store. I can create, for example, a collection for products with discounts or a collection for products specific to holidays and occasions. I'll click here on Create Collection, then write the collection name here. Here, I can create a collection for men, and here, I can write a description, and here, I'll upload a picture for this collection. Let it be this picture, then I'll click on Save, and I'll go back to add another collection specific to women, and here I can add a third collection for newly arrived products. I've created 3 collections here in this way. Now the step with us is how to add products to this collection. We'll go back to Products, then start selecting the products for each collection, then from here, we'll click on Add to Collection, then choose from here the collection we want to add them to, then click on Save. And we'll repeat this process with all the other products and start adding them to the collections we want to add them to. If we go back, we'll click on Collections, and here we'll find all the collections, each with a group of products. After adding the collections and products, we'll go now and click on Online Store, then click on Customize, and here we'll find Featured Collection. And now I'll start adding here the collection I want to show in this area. On the right, I'll choose Select Collection from here and start choosing from here the collection I want to show in this area. Let it be, for example, New Arrivals, then click on Select. I can change the title above from this area, so I can write here, for example, New Arrivals, and then I'll click here again on Add Section and choose Collection List. This means that I will show here the collections I have in my store in this area. I'll start from here, click on the first collection on the left here, and then choose the first collection, and then click on Select. I'll repeat the same steps for the other collections. For example, I'll choose to have only 2 collections. So, I'll come to this third collection and delete it. Therefore, I'll have only 2 collections here. But if you have more than that, you can add more collections from here. Now I can choose the number of collections that will be visible here. I'll choose only 2, so the collections will appear like this. Here, I can change or delete this title from this area. When my customer clicks on this collection, for example, the men's collection, they can go to the product group inside the collection, like menswear. You can return to the home page from here by selecting Home Page from above. It will take you back to the home page as it appears in front of you. Now, we've added a beautiful slider like the one clear in front of you. After that, we've added a group of products here, and then we've added the collections. You can add other things from Add Section here, whether they are texts, videos, sliders, banners, or anything else you want to add from this area easily. Now, here in the header, we need to create a menu. This menu will contain the collections we have. We'll start by clicking on Save to save everything we've done so far. Then we'll exit from here and go to our store control panel. We'll come here and click on Navigation. We'll start by selecting Main Menu, and then we'll click Add Menu Item. Here, we'll start selecting the men's collection, for example, and then click Add. Similarly, we'll repeat with the other collections. We can move the men's collection up like this, as it is clear in front of you. After that, we'll click on Save. We'll return again and come here to the online store and open Customize in a new tab. You'll find that the main menu has appeared in this area. Now, we have some very important pages that must be in your store. We'll click on Settings from here, and then we'll click on Policies. Here, we have these pages that we must fill out: exchange and return policy, privacy policy, terms of use, shipping information, and contact information. It's very important to fill out this information. Shopify provides a ready-made template for you to start editing. We'll click on Create from Template to start editing the exchange and return policy, whether it's 30 days, 14 days, or any other. We'll start editing all this information. We'll click here again on Create from Template, and we'll start deleting the text in yellow, then edit all the information here. Similarly, we'll start with the other pages. The only page that is not available is the shipping page or shipping policy. We'll start writing it ourselves in this area, then click Save. We'll return again to show this menu. Now, we'll start again by clicking on Navigation. Then we'll select Footer menu and start by clicking Add Menu Item. Then we'll come here from Policies and choose the pages we've created. We'll start adding them one by one. Then we'll add them to the footer menu. We'll click on Save and return to our store. We'll come here to the footer and then select Footer. After that, we'll click on Add Block and choose Menu from here. We'll have these important pages displayed at the bottom of our online store. These are very important pages that you must create. From here, I can delete this title, so the pages will appear like this. I can click again on Footer and then come here to start clicking on Show Social Media Icons in this area. It will start showing the icons of the social media pages of my store. To edit them, I'll scroll down to Theme Settings and click on it. It will open for me here. I'll start writing the links of my social media pages, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or any other. I'll consider with you that these are the links of my pages. The icons will start appearing as you see them at the bottom of our store. If we go back to the online store and start clicking here to see our store, we'll find that the name of our store is written incorrectly in this area. So, we'll start again by clicking on Settings, then we'll come here to Store Details, click on Edit, and start writing the name of our store in this area. Then we'll click Save here. In the store settings, we'll find many settings. First, I have to choose the plan I'm going to work with, which we chose at the beginning of the video. Then I have Payments, which refers to the payment methods the customer will use to pay for my store. Here, I have Shopify Payments. I can start activating it. I have PayPal. I can let my customer pay through PayPal. There are many payment methods that I can work with. If I click here on See All Other Providers, I'll find many payment methods clearly in front of me. I can work with any of them if available to me. I can go back to manual payment methods like cash on delivery. I can click here on Manual Payment Method, then choose Cash on Delivery from here, and then click on Activate. Therefore, cash on delivery is available to me in my store now. And I can activate PayPal from here and link my account to PayPal with my store so that the customer can pay via PayPal. As we agreed, we can also pay by Visa through these methods. Next, I have Checkout, which refers to the checkout page. Here, I can easily edit all the information related to the checkout page. And you can also right-click there and open the checkout page in a new tab. This is how the checkout page looks like, as it is clear in front of you. You can edit everything from this area, and then you'll see all the updates here, such as shipping methods, delivery methods, and shipping costs. From here, you can choose the shipping cost and the countries you ship to. For example, here, I ship to the United States. You can choose any location from here, and if you want to add a shipping cost, you can click on Add Rate, then start writing the shipping cost and how many days it takes to deliver in this area. Then click Done. I also have the option here to add taxes in this area. Below that, I have domains. If I want to connect a domain to my store instead of the free domain provided by Shopify, I can buy a domain or connect a domain that I purchased from another company through this area. The rest of the settings you can quickly look at and start editing. And a very important tip, your store must be responsive to mobile devices. So, we can go back to our store and click here on Mobile, and start editing everything so that the appearance of our store is responsive to mobile devices easily. After completing all the settings for your store, you'll come here from this area and start clicking on Remove Password. This way, your store will be published and available for customers to start entering and placing orders. Let's go through it together. Now, for example, we'll enter this product and place an order, and here the customer will start entering all their information. After the customer enters all the information, they will click on Complete Order. That's how your customer has placed an order. The order will appear here in Orders. You'll see all the information about your customer in this area. You can click on it and start viewing all the customer's information and start shipping the order. Here is the name. Here is the address and detail. You'll find it in this area, and here's the order price. In the Analytics page, you'll see all the statistics about your store, the number of orders, their cost, the products that are requested, and the conversion rate. That's our explanation for today. If you need anything, let me know in the comments. I wish you a happy journey in e-commerce, and goodbye.